안녕하세요, Chademin, Dishan W. What's going on, everyone? I am here today with another unboxing for you, and today I will be unboxing my KissMe and my MorpheMe for August 2018. As usual, I'll leave all the information down below about KissMe and MorpheMe. All right, let's get started. All right, I think I'm going to start with the KissMe first. And what KissMe is, it is a monthly subscription. I believe it is $19.99 a month. And the KissMe, which looks like this is liquid lipsticks. You get 3 liquid lipsticks a month. You can choose to skip a month if you want to. Again, it's $19.99 a month. You can pay either yearly, every 6 months, every 3 months, or month to month. And you can also change when you want, to get it delivered, or change the billing date in case money is tight that month. So that's a good thing that they have, all right? I'm excited about this, all right, because I know the theme. I kind of know the theme, and I'm excited. And this is why I'm excited, because the theme is a partner in wine. And there's the beautiful model on the cover right there, holding the 3 liquid lipsticks. And here is the other side of the pamphlet right there. I love these colors. These colors are all wine colors. Oh, by the way, you can follow Live Glam at their social media, all down there at the bottom. All right, so this is what right here. These are the liquid lipsticks that we got for the month. And here is what the liquid lipsticks look like. There's color 1, color 2, and color 3. Gorgeous. I'm happy that they're wine colors, and they're colors that are going to match my skin tone. I mean, they'll probably complement any skin tone, but, I'm excited because these colors, these wine and berry colors, are colors that I tend to gravitate towards, if that makes any sense. All right, let's get started here. KissMe by Live Glam, they come in a little satchel or a pouch that looks like this. Sometimes it's pink, sometimes it's a different color. Your liquid lipsticks are here, and they're tied. So let me untie the satchel, and I'm just going to pull one out. I will be referring to the card here as I am going through them all. So I'm just going to reach in and pull out one. Oh my gosh. First of all, look at the packaging. Usually the barrel is like gold. Now it's like red or wine color. That is gorgeous. Look at that. That makes me so happy, y'all. The first color is Poor Decisions. Poor Decisions, all right? And this is Poor Decisions. That's what it looks like there. Poor Decisions says, after working 9 to wine, you deserve to get out and make some poor decisions. Rocking this gorgeous matte fuchsia shade. Uh-oh, let's see. By the way, let me tell you, the formula, I'm wearing a liquid lipstick by KissMe right now, by Live Glam right now. And I'm wearing, the color I'm wearing, I believe is called Sugar Daddy. And it's a brown color. It's beautiful. I love it. And by the way, I didn't say this, but there is a shop on Live Glam. So if you like a color or like, a set of liquid lipsticks that you want to purchase, you can purchase them extra. So that is amazing they have the shop. I buy liquid lipsticks from them all the time because I love the formula. It's long lasting. Now it does do that, you know how liquid lipsticks, they fade over time. You get that inner ring in your mouth. They don't do that, but all liquid lipsticks do that. So that's not really not a problem for me per se. All right, so let me get back to Poor Decisions, all right? Let's see what this fuchsia color looks like, y'all. I'm so excited. Ooh, oh. That's what it looks like. I could see myself ordering this shade again. This is gorgeous. Look at that. I'm excited. Guys, I don't swatch anything on this channel. I'm so sorry, because the lighting is just bad where I'm at. The swatches would not do the colors justice. Here's the second one I'm pulling out. It's a dark color. I'm so happy. This is called Sip Happens, all right? And this is what Sip Happens look like. You see it's kind of dark in there. And Sip Happens, let me open her up. Ooh, this one's tight on there. Oh, yeah. Dark Vampy Wine Lip Burgundy. I love this. It reminds me of, what's that color by Wet n Wild Catsuit. This reminds me of, not Video Vixen, but the other one that's dark like this, but it's got more berry in it. That is nice. All right, so this is called Sip Happens. And it says here, we know sip happens, but this matte plum shade will be your go-to for any spills in life. Wine and a little laugh with a lot of this lippy. So that's what it looks like there on the packaging. You can see that it's really, really dark. That's Sip Happens. This one is Poor Decisions, and you can see that fuchsia. Now the last color is Hakuna Moscato. I love Moscato. Moscato is a very good wine. Very good. All right, so ooh, this one looks like it's more like a light pinky color, and that's what it looks like there. Gorgeous. It says, "Have no worries for the rest of your days. Have no worries for the rest of your days." Hakuna Matata. Sorry, y'all know y'all love the Lion King. Don't trip. Anyway, this is what the color looks like right there. That is gorgeous. And it says, "Have no worries for the rest of your days with this Dusty Rose Lippy. This carefree shade will be your problem-free philosophy. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata." Okay, I'm sorry. Anyway, that's what the color looks like, y'all. I'm going to have to watch The Lion King now. Anyway, that is everything in my live glam, all right? Let's go ahead and just recap these beautiful liquid lipsticks because I'm definitely going to repurchase this set, okay? Hands down. This is my set, all right? We have here Hakuna Moscato right here, which is that Dusty Rose shade. We also have Poor Decisions, which is this one, which is the fuchsia color. And then we also have Sip Happens, which is this beautiful dark berry color, perfect for nighttime. This is nice. Love it. So I'm so happy with my Lip Monthly bag for this month. Let's move on to this one. This one is MorpheMe, right? MorpheMe is the same as Live Glam, the KissMe. The only difference is that this is makeup brushes, and you guys know I love my makeup brushes. So, same price. Makeup brushes are $19.99 a month. You can pay for this either every 6 months, every 3 months, every monthly or yearly. And let's see what, I bet you it's something that's wine themed, because usually the lipsticks and the brushes, they have the same theme. And let me see if I can get this open. I may need to get my titaniums out to cut a little bit. And I am right. It's Bad and Boozy. Bad and Boozy. Bad and Boozy. That is the theme right there. Bad and Boozy. Here's the other side right here. Don't forget to follow Live Glam on all their social media. And here is the brushes that we're getting. By the way, I didn't say this, but you will get either 4 to 8 makeup brushes. I've been subscribed with MorpheMe since about March, I believe, of this year, and I have not received the 8. I've received 4 or 5, but I've never received 8. I think the most I received is 4 or 5. And here are the brushes right here in this pamphlet. Let me pull back a little bit. Tells you which ones we have, and they are from Morphe. So I'm going to take them out. It looks like we have 3 brushes in here, yes? Yes, there are only 3. And they come in the packaging like this. So this is the first one. Wow. This one is a G8. All right. This is what it looks like in the packaging, first of all, right? I'm going to open this up. The G8 is a tapered powder brush. And as you can see, this is what the brush looks like. First of all, it's really soft, and it is tapered at the top here, as you can see. It is dual fiber, so there's white bristles here, and it gets a little bit darker down here. The barrel, or ferrule as I call it, as well as the handle are this titanium silver or graphite color, and on it is etched Morphe and the name of the brush. You can barely see that because of this camera. But this is the G8. And let me tell you about the G8 tapered powder brush. It says, wine flies when you're having fun. Finish off your bad and boozy look by blending your concealer, setting your makeup, and applying blush with this tapered powder brush. And I can totally see myself using this as for blush. This is nice. And they feel, you know, they feel kind of, well, they're not too heavy, but you know, they're good quality brushes. Morphe brushes are some of my favorites. And these are really, really nice. So that is the G8. Moving on. The next one, this one here is the G6. Like a G6, like a G6. Y'all remember that song? Like a G6, like a G6. Hey. Anyway, this is what it looks like in the package. Comment down below if y'all remember that song, like a G6. Like, I can't remember. I remember a little bit. Like a G6, like a G6. This is what the G6 looks like. It looks like it's a flat top. See that? Flat top. Right there. I bet you this is for foundation because I would use a flat top brush like this to blend out my liquid foundation. And again, it's dual fiber with the white bristles here, darker bristles here. Same thing, Morphe, and the name of the brush is on the handle. And the handle and ferrule are that graphite titanium color. G6 is a flat buffer. You can't find your corkscrew. This foundation brush, I was right, will help you feel just as confident and flawless as a glass of wine. And real talk, these brushes like this are the best for blending out foundation. I love these flat top brushes like this. Awesome. Like the G6, like the G6. All right, let me stop. Last one is the Morphe G17. Here's a G17. Let me guess, without even reading the description, this brush is probably for blending out eyeshadow. I would blend out eyeshadow with this brush. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. Again, dual fiber again, with your bristles lighter at top, darker at the bottom. Same Morphe etched in there with the name of the brush, and the barrel and the handle are that same graphite color. This is a round blender. This ultra feathery blending brush will be your partner in wine anytime you need to effortlessly buff out some head turning eye look. So I was right. This is like an eyeshadow brush, or an eyeshadow brush to blend out your eyeshadow. Nice! I'm excited. I'm so happy. This is like my favorite MorpheMe and KissMe subscription that I got. This month was amazingly awesome. Let me recap these brushes. This is the G6, not the G6. This is the G8 tapered powder brush. This is my G6 flat buffer. And then finally my G17, my round blender. These are my brushes together. I will add these to my collection and I will use these tomorrow. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do you get MorpheMe or KissMe? If you do, leave it down below. And if I didn't say this also, with both subscriptions, if there's something you don't like, you can trade in your brushes or your lipsticks for other ones. That, like if you find a lipstick that doesn't match your skin tone, you can trade them in. But I'm not trading mine in. I love mine. I am so happy with mine. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Everything down below about the subscriptions will be in the description box. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, all right? I'm close to 1,000 subscribers. When I get there, there will be a giveaway, and I will let you know what that is as soon as I reach my threshold. Wow, I'm happy, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, all right? I'm gonna go plan some makeup now. All right, talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난